Hi, Star884 here. I'm going to show you how I made a Halloween charm bracelet. I used round nose pliers and bent nose pliers. You can use just about any wide chain link bracelet you have. I decided to take the old jump rings off the charms I had and put new rings on for a clean look. But it's not a necessary step. I'm using both pliers to pry open the jump rings. Now we're going to put the new jump rings on. Just have to push a little bit with both pliers to open the jump rings. Now to put the charms on. Make sure you close the jump rings really tight so it's not going to fall off. You can play around with how you want to arrange the charms on the bracelet. Perhaps you can align them all the same way if you'd like, or you can try staggering them. It's all in your personal preference. I decided it needed one more charm. This whole bracelet took me about 10 minutes in total to make. Making charm bracelets are a lot of fun because you can customize it to your own personal style. They make nice gifts as well. And here's the finished product. Follow me on Whatnot. Check out my link in the description. And please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.